Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are wrapping up the Love and Devotion pad. And like I mentioned in my last video, this is all I have left of the pad and the cover. It was all well used. So just a quick refresher of everything that I got out of this pad. There's, I think, only one thing that I haven't shown you yet, and that was some bookmarks that I made from the pad cover. At the bottom there were some strips that kind of showed the different patterns that were in the pad, and so I just took some of those, turned them into bookmarks, added some pink yarn. So we got 3 bookmarks. I showed you guys in another video the little treat bag that I had made this in January as part of my use it up. Was trying to use up the little clip. And then I got the 5 scrapbook pages from this pad. And then the other big project I did was the wonderful puzzle. That was, you know, didn't work out quite the way I'd hoped. So I also got the 2 little gnome blocks, and I believe in the video where I showed them, I showed this side. And then I also did add another side to them, so they are reversible. So I love my little gnomes. And then I got in total 6 5x7 cards, but I have already sent off 2 of them. And then I ended up getting 187 A2 size cards. So there were the ones that I had donated, and then the ones that I had showed you in this last video. And I will insert pictures of the ones that I had shown in the video of the donation cards. So I will kind of add pictures of, like a group picture of all the cards at the end of this video, but not bad. It's nice. It was a nice change working on Valentine's Day, but I think I mentioned in my last video I am ready to move on to something non-holiday specific. I feel like I went, started with Halloween and fall, and then a lot of Christmas, and then Valentine's Day, and I'm kind of ready to just work on something that's not holiday specific, that's just can be used for anything. So that's probably where I'm headed next with the next pad project. But just wanted to share all the goodies that I did get from this pad. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed following along with this pad. I know there was a few of you who said you had it, and I know Debbie at Project 39 Mini Albums, she did this pad as well and has gotten some different projects out of it. So you might jump over to Project 39 Mini Albums here on YouTube and see what she got from this pad. But thanks for following along with me over the past month as I worked on this pad. Hope you guys enjoy the projects, got some good ideas, and thanks for your time, and I hope you're having a crafty month.